Is it on?
Yes.
Hi. Okay, so Brittany, being a retard she is, doesn't know how to. You're so stupid.
I told you.
I don't even get it. Okay. Ow. Okay. So being the retard she is, she doesn't know how to wind it all back up. Wind the cord on the vacuum. Your dog ring my head. Okay. So yeah, first you take the cord, you find this piece, and you go like that, and you wind it. But see, if you have a fundraiser, you'll be able to get the vacuum I have, and you just press the button, it goes zzz. You need that.
I'll be sure to ask them for that, Allison.
Make the sound effect go zzz.
For sure.
Totally. Why is this tied? I don't get it.
I don't know, someone tied it.
Obviously.
This is a long cord, eh?
Yes, I am aware. I'm the one that undid it. Unraveled. What's the word?
Untangled?
It's not tangled.
You just said it was.
No.
Yeah.
No.
Oh, look, it's the end of the cord.
Under the owl cord. Yeah.
You just hit me with the cord.
It was on purpose.
And now I have proof.
No, you don't.
I do.
You didn't put the camera in.
I did.
I didn't.
Yeah, I did.
And then when you get to the end of the cord, you do not do this. Look how I found it. I'm like, where's the cord? Okay. Remember? I'm like, where is it? Okay. Go like this. Okay, I'm gonna do it this way. Okay. Go like this. And then what you do, like, put it through a bit. Maybe put it through these two or something. Go.
This is a long video.
Yeah, and then, see, I'm gonna stick it here. Ta-da!
Yay.
Go try it at home.